Hello everyone, now we are going to study the chapter probability. Myself Mr. Valmik Tanpur and this is my channel Education Tech TVR. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and see the video till the end. If you have not understood, please repeat the video 2-3 times. Now we have to given the question 1. A coin is tossed once. Okay, you know that coin having the head and tail. Coin having the head and tail. So we will see here the question 1. I'm writing the answers only. You have the textbook, so a coin is tossed once. So find the probability of getting head. So we have to find the probability of getting head. So you know that probability of head we have to find. So here favorable outcomes. If coin is tossed once, so it will be maybe head or tail. So what is the formula? Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. So what favorable outcomes is required? Head. So how many heads are there? 1. Out of total outcomes are how much? Total outcomes will be here. Total outcomes will be the 2. So out of 2, 1 upon 2. So what is the probability? Which will be the 1 upon 2 for the head. Now not head. Then we have to find probability for not head. Not head means tail. Indirectly we have to find for the tail. So which will be how much? Which will also only 1. So 1 upon total 2. 1 upon 2. Got it now? So like that. Now here we have to see another one question. Question 3rd we will see now. Same type of questions you can solve. Question number 3. A die is thrown 20 times. So we have to given outcomes are how much? What we have to given? See, outcomes we have to given and number of times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 1 is come how many times? 2 is come how many times? 3 is come how many times? It is given in the question. So which will be the 2, 3, 4, 3 and 4. So total outcomes 20. Total outcomes will be 20. Now here we have to find what is the probability to get. Probability for 3. Probability for 3 is how much? 4. So 4 out of 20. First we have to write down the formula. Probability of 3 which will be equal to favorable outcomes upon total outcomes. Whenever you are solving the problems, you must have to write the formula. So 4 upon 20, 1 ja, 5 ja, so which will be the 1 upon 5. Then second one, what is the second? Number less than 3. Number less than 3. So less than 3, how many numbers are there? Less than 3. 1 and 2, these two numbers are there. So we have to take this total. Write the same formula. So less than 3, these two numbers are there. And what is their probability? Possibility? How many times they comes? 2 and 3 times. So 2 plus 3 out of 20. 5 upon 20. Which will be 4 upon 20. Then number probability for number greater than 3. Greater than 3 means 4, 5, 6. So you have to take this total 4 plus 3 plus 4. write the formula again, then write down 4 plus 3 plus 4 out of 20, so which will be 11 upon 20, which not divided. Got it now? Now we will see the another one problem. So question number 5 we will see. Question 5 is there. I am writing here an answer. Question 5 is there. In a cricket match, okay, in a cricket match, a batsman is hits boundary for 12 times out of 80 balls. Okay, so here we will write boundary how many times? Boundary 12 times. Total balls are 80 he played. Then further if he plays one ball more, if he play one ball more, what will be the probability that he hits boundary? We have to find. So total balls means this is total outcomes. Okay, so we have to find probability for what? We have to find probability for the boundary. So write the formula. Favorable outcomes upon total outcomes upon total outcomes. So here favorable outcomes 12 out of 80. So divide this number. Okay, 4 3 the 420 the, so 3 upon 20 will be the probability. Then second one, the second one is there, not boundary, probability for not boundary. So total balls are 80. 80 minus 12, how much? 80 minus 12, 68 out of 80. Divide this number. So 2 3 the 2 4 the 40 the, here again 2 17 the 2 20 the, so that means 17 upon 20. This is the probability to not get the boundary. Do not get the boundary. Got it now? See the question number 7. Two coins are tossed. How many times? 100 times. So we have to find the outcome. We have to given the outcomes. It is given in the question. Outcomes, number of times. So head comes 21 times. Head tail or tail head, it will come 55 times. And no head, that means tail. Here head means 2 heads. Here what we get? 2 heads. Here head tail or tail head means exactly 1 head. Here what we are getting? Exactly 1 head or tail. Okay, now we have to find the probability. Probability is equal to favorable outcomes upon total outcomes, and this comes 24 times. Okay, this comes 24 times. Total outcomes here we have to give one total outcomes 100 is given because it is tossed how many times? 100 times. Now we have to find the probability for two head. That means this much. Two head means how many two heads? How many times it comes? Two heads 21 times out of 100. This will be the probability. Then we have to find the second one, probability of exactly one head. Exactly one head. How many times? So which will be the $55 times out of 100. So 5 11 the 5 20 the. So 11 upon 20 will be the answer. 11 upon 20. Now third one will be no head. Probability for no head, which will be, what is the probability? No head 24 out of 100. Divide this. 4 8s divide this. 4 6 are 24, then this is 25. So 6 upon 25 will be the probability. Got it now?